Hi. In this section 7.6, we would like to obtain the original function of y in terms of x. So to start off, let us write down the capital Y as m times capital X plus c. So we will need to find out the value of the gradient, which is 0, 4. Okay, my gradient will be 8 minus 4 over 6 minus 0. So that is 4 over 6 equal to 2/3. And my y-intercept c can be observed from the graph. It has value of 4. So rewriting the equation, I have capital Y equal to 2/3 capital X plus 4. Now our final job is to substitute the axis of y and x squared into the capital Y and capital X respectively. Y equal to 2/3 x squared plus 4. So that's it. That is our original function of y in terms of x. Let's look at example B. Using the same idea, y equal to m capital X plus c, I'll need to find my gradient first. So 7 minus 2 over 1 minus 6, that gives me 5 over minus 5. So the gradient is minus 1. So in order for us to find the y-intercept, I need to substitute back to the capital Y equal to negative capital X plus c. So take note, what do you substitute to the capital X and Y? It will be these coordinates, either this 1, 7 or 6, 2. Okay, so taking 1, 7, I will substitute 7 for the Y equal to negative 1 plus c. So my y-intercept is 8. So rewriting the equation, I have y, capital Y equal to negative capital X plus 8. And the last step is to substitute the original small x and y into the equation. So my capital Y is xy equal to negative x plus 8. However, this is not our answer yet because we want to express y in terms of x. So I will have to divide by x throughout on both the left and the right side. So I will have negative 1 plus 8 over x. So that's our equation. In example 4, okay, the idea is similar. However, we are given that this graph of log y versus x. Why is that so? If you look at the function that was given to you, y equal to a times b to the power of x. If you want to linearize this function, you will have log y equal to log a plus x log b. And you can see your capital Y would be your log y and your capital X is x. So that's why the question gave you a graph of log y versus x. So using this equation 1, okay, you can write capital Y equal to m capital X plus c, and of course you will need to find out the values of the gradients and the y-intercept. So as usual, my gradient is 13 minus 5 over 6 minus 2, and that will give me 8 over 4 is 2. And to find my y-intercept, okay, I got to substitute one pair of coordinates into my equation. So I will take 5 equal to m x plus c. So my y-intercept is 1. Okay, so now you have the gradients and the y-intercept. So using equation 1, you can see that your y-intercept c is actually log a. So I will equate them together. Log a is equal to 1, and so a is equal to 10. And similarly, my gradient m, okay, is equal to log b. So log b is the gradient. Log b is equal to 2. Okay, so b is equal to 10 square, that's 100. So that's it. I have found my answer. A is equal to 10 and b is equal to 100.